Hello students, now in this session of video we will discuss application of derivative class 12th maths. Today we will understand the application of differentiation or derivative we can say. So first of all we will understand about the change. Clear? Let y is equal to fx be a function of in a x. So y, we have a function in x. So del y be a small change in y corresponding to the small change in del x. Clear? तो del y में क्या है, अगर हम लोग स्मॉल चेंज करते हैं so del y change corresponding to small change in del x means जब हम del x में स्मॉल चेंज करेंगे तो किस में चेंज आएगा, del y में चेंज आएगा. क्लियर? So this is represented as del y upon del x. Clear? Change of y due to unit of x. Clear? Means अगर आप del x में चेंज करते हैं small, so what you get, del y, the small change in del y, and we can denote this del y upon del x, the rate of change of y with respect to x. This del y upon del x is represented as average rate of change. So this dy upon dx is average rate of change. Clear? As we move, del x tends to 0 means as we move, change in x very close to 0. जैसे जैसे हम 0 के क्लोज आएंगे means change को कम करते रहेंगे. Then this is called the instantaneous rate of change and denoted by that change is called when we move del x very close to 0. So we write it as limit del x tends to 0 dy upon del x. Clear? So that is called instantaneous rate of change. Clear? And this is denoted by dy upon dx. This is your dy upon dx. Clear? Okay, now if the rate of change of two variable x and y varying with respect to the another variable t, means we have given a function in the function y in terms of x, but the x change to with respect to another variable t. What we have given a function, suppose that fx is equal to x square. So this x is changed to with respect to another variable t. As the x change, we know that then fx is also change. Clear? x में change होगा but किसी थर्ड वेरिएबल की रिस्पेक्ट में चेंज होगा मीन्स t की चेंज रिस्पेक्ट में. So what change we found in y? So we know that if x changes, we will already discuss, then y changes. So how can we denote that? So we can write it as dy. देखो ध्यान समझिए आप, dy में जो चेंज आ रहा है वो तो x के रिस्पेक्ट में ही आएगा बिकॉज y इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ x, बट जो dx है वो आपका t के रिस्पेक्ट में चेंज आ रहा है. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज dy अपॉन dt अपॉन dx अपॉन dt, dy अपॉन dt अपॉन dx अपॉन dt. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव गिवन एग्जाम्पल. Find the rate of change of the area of a circle per second with respect to its radius. So देखिए क्वेश्चन में find the rate of change of area. Rate of change किस में देखना है? एरिया में of a circle with respect of a circle per second with respect to its radius. Clear? So radius के respect में, as we know that the radius change, so area of the circle is also change, but the rate of change per second, how much the area of a circle changing per second, ये हमको निकालना है. Clear? Okay, we know that first of all area of a circle. What? Pi r square. Rate of change of area, rate of change of area is equal to, so the rate of change area is change with respect to radius, so we can write it as dA upon dr. Clear? So dA upon dr, what is A? A is pi r square, so it is 2 pi r. Clear? Now what we have to find? Area of a circle per second with respect to its radius. Clear? Where r is equal to 5. Now we have to find the area of a circle with respect to time. So r we have given, so rate of change dA upon dr is equal to 2 pi, and the value of r we have given 5, so dA upon dr is equal to 10 pi. Clear? This is type 1 question in which we have to finding the area with respect to its radius. Clear? In my next video I will discuss another type of question, how the area is related to the time.